Hello and how are you, friends? All of you are most welcome in your own loving channel with my open heart, Coach Energies. Come on with me and train in a new journey of 10 keys. Open up personality. I'm your soul traveler, Coach Energies. Let's go. Number 1. Eyes pupil size. Dilate pupils may indicate interest or arousal, while constricted pupils can suggest discomfort or dislike. Eye contact. Maintaining eye contact can convey confidence and attentiveness. Number 2. Eyebrows. Raised eyebrows can signify surprise, curiosity, or interest. Lowered eyebrows may indicate anger, confusion, or concentration. Number 3. Mouth. Smiling genuine smiles involve the eyes and signifies happiness or friendliness. Frowning indicates sadness, displeasure, or discomfort. Tight lips can suggest tension or disagreement. Number 4. Nose. Flaring nostrils may indicate anger or heightened emotions. Number 5. Forehead wrinkles. Deep forehead wrinkles can suggest stress, while a smooth forehead may indicate calmness. Number 6. Cheeks. Blushing indicates embarrassment, shyness, or heightened emotion. Number 7. Jaw. Clenched jaw, sign of tension, frustration, or anger. Number 8. Chin. Tilting upward can indicate confidence or pride. Tilting downward may suggest submission or insecurity. Number 9. Lips. Biting or licking lips, nervousness or anxiety. Pursed lips can signal disapproval or contemplation. In last, I will say that sometime your experience may go wrong, but your soul always will be right. So also consider the voice of your soul with your experience. Then all keys will be in your hands. Today is very much cold. Move with a smile. All of you, I will say I love you. Goodbye. Good luck, Coach Energies.
You know I'm right. 날 상대하지 마. 재미없잖아. You know that I don't wanna be with somebody less refined. 네 모델 love, you ain't enough. 너